Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Diego's Garage. Today we'll be installing Acoustik Cp-71w on the 99 Camaro. Alright, Acoustik Cp-71w, Walmart brand here. These are getting really popular. I've been seeing it in the S2000 community, the BMW. But yeah, this is Apple CarPlay, touchscreen, all the modern technologies right now. And but yeah, gonna install this, attempt this. I don't really see these installed in F-body Camaro or Trans Am Firebird or anything like that. I tried looking up research, but I didn't find any. But I'm gonna just wing it, see what happens. The kit you're gonna need is here's the dash kit for the cars for General Motors 1982 to 05. This fits the Camaro, it's universal. Here it is. And you're gonna need a wiring harness, stereo wiring harness. It's from Metra. The dash kit is also Metra. It connects to your car's wiring harness. This connects to the stereo. You're gonna need that. Tools, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna need a 7mm socket, a pry bar, some crimpers, and some connectors. I got a set. It's all cheap. You can get it at any hardware store, O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Walmart. There it is. Let's get to it. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up, see what's inside. Alright, you got your wiring harness for the stereo, remote, some pins, an antenna. Let's take this out right here. Here's your instruction kit. Nice packaging, it's alright. There it is. Nice and smooth, pretty crisp. You got your regular buttons here, you got power, you got speaker, your volume buttons here, Bluetooth. Alright guys, I got you guys in point of view. Nice GoPro here, I love it. But yeah, let's get this thing going. First thing you want to do is get yourself a pry bar and just start it's pretty easy. It's held on by clips here in the side. There you go. See, I didn't have to freaking use it. You just use your hands. See, it came right off. There's a connector here for your fog lights. Let's take this out real quick. Just put that to the side. Alright, see, here's your 7mm bolts. It's only 2 I see. So just get your 7mm. It's crazy that General Motors, they came in these with all these stereos and all of the models at the time. My dad's freaking 03 Silverado has it. My brother's 02 Camaro SS has it. My dad also has a 98 C1500, also has this. GM is probably like, let's save some money and just put the same radio on every model we have.
Correct.
All right, we don't want to lose that. Put that in a cup holder somewhere. It should slide out. All right, there's the two connections back here. The antenna, harness. There's that right there. There you go, it's out. She's out. Next thing you want to do is get your harness. Take it out, see if it matches right. Plug it in. Oh yeah. There you go. All right. Now you want to get the harness that it came with. This is for the backup camera, but we're stuck in 1999. We don't have that here. All right, here's the harness. Now we got to connect these wires together. So yeah, you got your greens, you got your ground, you got your power, yellow, you know, connect all the colors together. Pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy to do, except if you're colorblind, but no offense to that. Kind of use the crimp wires. Actually, I'm gonna do a test first before I crimp them, make sure it works. All right, connected the wires. Now just put the yellow, the red, ground, see if it turns on. This is a test here. All right. Nice display. Let's see if it does something. There you go. See the settings and all that. All right, I got my harness all nice and crimped up. All right, nice connected. Oh yeah, I can't forget the antenna. Right here. Connect it there. Connects there. Just simply connect your harness in. That's it. All right, next thing to do is get your dash kit. I got it all set up with the mounts and everything here. Just FYI, the flat screw right here is in the inside, and on the other side I put the nut on this side because this is more flatter on the outside, and here inside, I don't know if y'all can see that, it's in the way. So what I do is just flip it, make it work. So next thing to do, just put your deck in. Flip it around. And you see those pins right there? Gonna have to use the flathead screwdriver, just kind of like pry it out. Okay, what I ended up doing is I ended up taking out the deck and just took off the sleeve off the deck, and I just slid it on the dash kit. And what I did here is, you see those pins up there, I pried them. See, on the top and the bottom, on the sides. So now it's pretty sturdy. I ended up using this tool just to pry them in and out, enough for it to grab. Next thing to do, just get your deck, slide it back in. Make sure it's nice and secure. There you go. There's the face. Alright, for this USB plug-in, I'm gonna route it to this opening right here. So what I ended up doing to make this work for the USB plug-in, I took out the storage compartment and I ended up making a hole right there. Not the prettiest of holes, but it'll work as long as the USB slides right in. So just gotta slide it in real quick. Just like that. Now we want to do, plug in your harness. Move these out the way. Just tuck everything in there. Put these on top. Go. Set in place. Now just put your screws on. Ooh, almost lost that one. Maybe I did lost it. Bruh. Alright, where's your 7mm? Here it is. Over tighten it. This is plastic. There you go. See, now we got USB hookup. All right, let's put the bezel back. Let's connect our fog light switch and ASR switch. There you go. Perfect. Check that out. Alright, moment of truth. Let's turn it on. Nice. Sweet. Got maps. Is the radio working?
Put your lips on a farmer. Fancy Gansey, go tell him.
Music. All in a small package. That's all you need. That should look good too. Well, there you have it. Power Acoustik Cp-71w. Everything in a single din, small package. Hope this helps, this installation, this video. If you guys want, please like and subscribe to my channel, Diego's Garage. Thank you for watching. Peace.